How to start a WordPress blog or website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in 3 simple steps. The first step would be to register a domain name. A domain name is what people use to get to your website. For example, my domain name is wordpresswithleo.com. Usually, a domain registration costs about $10 to $15 per year, but I want to show you how to get your own domain name for free. If we open up an account with Bluehost, you can get your own domain name for free, but I want to show you how later in this video. The second step, to set up a web hosting account. A hosting account provides you with a space on the internet for your website. Think of a hosting company like a shopping center with several shops. If you want to open up a store, you need to rent one of the shops. In the same way, a hosting company will provide you with a space on one of their computers, which is where your website will live on the internet. And the third step, to install WordPress. It may sound complicated, but if we open up an account with Bluehost, Bluehost makes it really easy to install WordPress. We'll just need a few clicks and Bluehost will install WordPress for us. Alright, so let's get to it. So to start creating your website, let's go to wordpresswithleo.com/Bluehost. wordpresswithleo.com/Bluehost, or just click on the link I provided in the description of this video, and you'll get a free domain name with your new account. Alright, so now that we are in the Bluehost webpage, you'll notice the affordable price, the free domain name offer, the 24/7 support, and other benefits. We'll go ahead and click the Get Started Now button. Now it's time to select your plan. We have 3 options: the basic plan, the plus, and the prime plan. If you're starting out, you can go ahead and select the basic one, but it's going to limit you to one website, and you can add websites later. If you plan to create more than one website right away, then you can go with the plus plan. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the basic plan. Alright, so now we can select our free domain name. We want to find a domain name that nobody currently owns. For example, if I were to type YouTube, and I don't have to type .com because it's already selected here in the drop-down menu, and I click Next, it's going to tell me that youtube.com is not available for registration because, of course, somebody else already owns youtube.com. And then it gives me a list of suggested domain names based on the domain name that I was looking for. But we don't want any of these. Let's say that you want your domain name to be myawesomestblog.com. Then hit Next. Now we know that that domain name was available because now we're in the Create Your Account page. It's time to create your account. First, you have to fill out your account information, your name, your address, your phone number, and your email address. And then the package information. If you want the lowest price, you can go with the 36-month price. But if you want to go with the 12-month price instead, you can do it, but it's just going to be a little bit higher. Like we said before, the domain registration is free. And then you get different options. I'm going to uncheck these boxes, and I just want to talk about one of them, the domain privacy protection. So when you register a domain name, the contact information you used to register your domain is public. So if someone wants to find out who registered your domain, they'll see the contact information that you submitted. But if you're concerned about this, you can use the domain privacy protection, and Bluehost will display Bluehost contact information instead, so that your information is protected, so that your information is not public. But if you don't care about that, then you can just leave it unselected or unchecked. And then the payment information, your credit card number, and all these details. And you have to check this checkbox to signal that you agree to the terms of service and the different policies. And then go ahead and hit submit, and I'll see you on the other side. If the transaction completed, then you'll see this page. Congratulations, welcome to Bluehost. And we don't need additional services, so we'll just go ahead and click no thanks. You will now see a congratulations message. You can also see your receipt. And it's time to create your password for your new Bluehost account. Go ahead and click the Create Your Password button. Enter a secure password. Confirm that new password. If you agree to Bluehost policies, click the checkbox and click Next. Next, click Login. Now Bluehost is installing WordPress, and now it's asking us to pick a theme for our website. The theme is basically the design of your website, but we can go ahead and skip this step because we're gonna do that later. Now setting up WordPress might take about a minute, so let's just wait for a little bit. Alright, all done. Now notice the blue bar at the top. It says, we're provisioning your WordPress installation on a temporary domain. So while your domain is being set up, you're gonna notice on the address bar that the domain is different than the one that you purchased. This is just gonna be for a little bit. In a couple hours, once your domain name is ready, then Bluehost is going to automatically update your website. Let's go ahead and click on Start Building. And your new website is finally ready. At the address bar, you'll notice the temporary domain. Just remember that Bluehost will soon update it once your domain name is ready. What you see now is the administration interface. You can access the administration interface with your domain and then /wp-admin. But if you want to see the public side of your website, what everybody else sees, then you can just visit your domain name. You may be wondering, my website is ready. Now what do I do? Well, please watch my next video where I'll show you how to select a design for your website. If you have a question about this video, please post it in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is WordPress with Leo. Thank you for watching.